Hey traders, and welcome back to my channel. Last Sunday I went to the Hay Festival of Literature and Arts where I had an amazing experience. I attended a talk and then later a workshop by the Shaolin monk Shi Hengyi. And it is incredible how the different values that the Shaolin monks share apply to other areas of your life, especially with trading, with an emphasis on discipline, on patience, and on focus. That has inspired me to share this video with you today, where I'm going to be talking about box breathing. If you have ever felt the grip of FOMO, the fear of missing out, or revenge trading, or simply the spike of adrenaline after a big move, then this video is for you. Today, I am sharing a powerful breathing technique called box breathing, straight from my full trading psychology course, Mindset Mastery of Traders. The link is in the description below if you'd like to go deeper. And if you're new here, don't forget to check out my free mini course, which is Mindset Edge, a quick actionable intro to mastering your trading psychology. A link below to that in the description as well. As always, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and let's dive straight into the content. Why does box breathing matter for traders? As traders, we live in a very high stakes environment. Every decision counts, and when emotion takes over, we will chase trades, we may force trades, but essentially we tend to break our rules. FOMO, the fear of missing out, revenge trading, where we are trying to make back what we have lost from a losing streak, often leads to overtrading, and these all create feelings of anxiety and stress, all symptoms of a very dysregulated nervous system. Box breathing is one of many breathing techniques that we can utilize to help combat this dysfunction, this anxiety in our nervous system. It is super simple. It is a tool that is used by Navy SEALs, by athletes, and yes, by traders. Box breathing helps to reset a nervous system, to step away from emotions and return to a calm space of clear focus. What exactly is box breathing? In a moment, I'm going to go through a short guided practice of box breathing, but first let's explore what exactly it is. Box breathing is a very simple guided breathing pattern where we inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. We hold the breath for 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally holding the breath for a further 4 counts, creating a box with our rhythmic breathing. You repeat this box breathing pattern for a few repetitions, and it is proven to slow down the heart rate, reduce stress, and bring your prefrontal cortex, your rational brain, back online, back into control, which is exactly what you need before and after executing trades to help us to make better trading decisions and to help us to stop dipping into emotional reactivity if we experience a loser or FOMO. Let's talk more about how box breathing can help traders. When you are in an emotional state, you are less likely to respond and follow your trading plan. You are more likely to react to those emotions. FOMO can encourage you to enter into a position too early, or even enter into a position that's not even a good position, because you are justifying it based on your emotions, based on the fear of missing out. When you are in an emotional state, you are more likely to revenge trade, which is basically where you will experience a loss, and then after that you will chase a further trade. It may not be a good trade, it may not be a quality, but you'll get into it regardless because you are chasing a winner to make back what you have lost. But this usually ends up in acquiring more losses. When we are in a state of emotional reactivity, we are stressed out, so we will often miss signs for the more clear, more accurate trades. This is where box breathing comes in. It helps to train emotional discipline. It can provide a space between our thoughts and our actions. When we start to feel our emotions rise, feel the adrenaline, simply take 2 minutes to carry out a breathing practice such as box breathing to just help calm everything down, realign our thoughts with our actions, step away from our emotions, enter back into the zone where you can make better trading decisions from a logical place rather than an emotional one. Box breathing can be carried out before your trading session starts to help you to get into the zone ready to trade. It can be even carried out during a trading session, especially if you've just taken a trade, regardless to if it was a win or a loss, just to recenter yourself. And of course, it can be carried out after a trading session to just help to wash away any of the emotions, any of the stress and anxieties that you experienced during that session, and help you to just carry on with your day. I've been trading with the prop firm, the 5%ers, for some time now. As a prop firm, they are a great option if you want to trade a larger capital, where you can trade one of their account sizes and you both take a share of any profits that are made. But they don't stop there. As well as offering account sizes for trading, they also offer these extra features, including live trading room, free webinars and workshops, and one-on-one performance coaching. They have 3 different programs that they offer to traders: the Hypergrowth, High Stakes, and Bootcamp program. I'm currently funded with the Hypergrowth program, so I am trading that live account with the 5%ers and taking a split of profits that are made. And I'm currently enrolled in the High Stakes program challenge as well. And my favorite feature of the programs that the 5%ers offer that differ from any other prop firm out there is the fact that they have removed the time limit, which means that you have an unlimited amount of time to pass the program. This is a massive game changer, and it can really help you to avoid falling into a stressful situation when you are trading. Let's face it, trading can be stressful enough. If you want some more information, or if you're ready to have a go for yourself, do check out the link below in the description. Now we're going to carry out a 2-minute guided practice of box breathing. If you can set aside 2 minutes of undisturbed time for yourself now, I encourage you to have a go. Stick in some headphones or go into another room. Get yourself comfortable. Take some time to sit down, lie down if you must, but simply sitting down is fine, and just take 2 minutes out for you. If you practice this, repeating this by yourself when you are trading will really benefit your trading performance. Trust me. Get yourself comfortable, sitting upright, allowing your shoulders to just relax. Taking a few cleansing breaths just to make sure that you are feeling relaxed. And let's begin. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Now try and repeat this pattern on your own. If you feel any thoughts start to arise, simply bring your attention back to this rhythmic pattern of your breath. And we'll do one more together. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now just resume your normal breathing pattern. How do you feel? A little bit more relaxed? A little bit slower? Things feeling a little bit more clearer, a bit calmer? Just bring your awareness to your body, feel any sensations. Even if it's just the fact that you can hear the present moment a little bit more clear. And you can imagine just how much of an edge this can be when you are trading, to prepare yourself mentally and emotionally in such a way that helps to heighten your focus and your clarity. This is what an edge is about once you have the technicals in place. Remember, if you would like to go deeper into some of the techniques used to help to master the mindset for trading, exploring trading psychology, I've recently launched Mindset Mastery for Traders, a full program, or there is a free mini course available as well. There are links to both of those in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video, do let me know by hitting the like button so that I know to make more content like this. And of course, share your experience below. It would be lovely to hear how you found this practice today. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and I will catch you in my next video. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching. Bye.